Hello class 1, good morning. How are you children? Today we will do the back exercise of the chapter The Boy and the Toffee. Isn't it? In the previous class children we have completed the chapter and then I have explained the question answers and the quick answers with to you, isn't it? I have already explained the question answers also that you will get in the video itself. And now what I'll do, we will do page number 62. So open your book at page number 62. This is page number 62. So are you all ready? You all are ready for the class? Yes. So take a pencil in your hand and now we will do word wall. So what is given in the word wall? Let us see. Are you all ready? Okay. See, in word wall, the question is read this sentence. So which one we will do? This one. Word wall. Read the sentences. So let us read the sentence. A stool is usually made of wood. So we have found the word stool used in the chapter. What was that? The Arnab used the stool to get the toffees from the shelf, isn't it? So the stool is made up of what? The stool is made up of wood. You can see this pencil. This pencil is also made up of what? It is made up of wood. So different things are made up of different materials, isn't it? So what we have to do here is complete these sentences using the correct words in the box given below. We have to complete the sentences given. There are 4 sentences given here and with the help of the words given in the box we have to complete the sentences. See what are the words given in the box? The words given are here. Okay. So what are the words? Cloth, paper, glass and bricks. Okay, I hope you have heard about the words. Now what we have to do, first one, see, number A, jars are usually made of. You have seen jars, isn't it? Because the chocolate, the toffees that Arnav's mother brought were kept in the jar. So what we have seen when we go to the different shops also we can see chocolates. They are kept in jars. So jars are usually made up of what? Cloth? Obviously not. Paper? No. Glass? We can think of bricks. 4 options are given. So we can write that jars are made up of glass. 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 Jars are made up of glass. So this is number 1. Clear? So glass is number 1. Written? I want you all to write with me. Now see number B. Kites are usually made of. Kites, all of you like to fly kites, isn't it? So these kites are made up of what? Are they made up of glass? Cloth? No. They are made up of paper. So see, paper is given in the help box. P-A-P-E-R, paper. So you'll write paper. Kites are made of paper. Clear? Now dresses. Dresses are made from what? These dresses are made from cloth. C-L-O-T-H. Cloth. So dresses are made from cloth. So number 3 will be cloth. Okay. Then we'll move to number D. Okay. Houses are usually made of. Now we live in houses, isn't it? So these houses are made up of what? Obviously bricks, isn't it? So you'll write B-R-I-C-K-S, bricks. Houses are made up of bricks. Done. Number 1 is glass, number 2 paper, number 3 cloth, number 4 bricks. Clear? Is it done? I think you have done it. Okay. Shall we move to the next page? Yes, we'll move to the next page, that is page number 63. So turn your page to page number 63. Now we can see 4 pictures, isn't it? We can see the picture of a jar, then this is what? Swing, then this is a car, red car, and this is a tree. Now let us read the question. What we have to do here, let us see. Number 2, this is number 2, page number 63. Write the correct group name against each picture. Now you can see the picture and you have to write the name of the group. Okay, the correct group name means these things are belongs to which group. Okay, so against each picture, choose from the box below. See, the group names are given here: kitchen, playground, then a forest, garage. So these things are belong to, whenever we think of a jar, what do we think? From which group? Okay, we never find a jar in a classroom. Sometimes we may, but not always. Tree, we don't find a tree inside a mall, isn't it? We can't find this car inside a kitchen, isn't it? So we have to think, we have to relate the things. Okay, how we will relate? See, the moment we see this jar, now we'll go to the options: kitchen, playground, forest, or garage. Where do we find the jars? Usually in a kitchen, isn't it? So below this jar you can see a space provided, so you will write kitchen, Kitchen, kitchen here under the jar. Okay, write down Kitchen, kitchen. Okay, number 1 means A, kitchen. Now this thing, this swing, where do we find? Do we find in playground, forest, or in a garage? So swing we find, usually we find swing in a playground. Play, play, ground, ground, playground. So here we will write playground. So number B is playground. Okay, now number C. Number C, we can see the picture of a car. What is the color of the car? Red in color. So where do we see this car? So relate it with the group. So when we relate it, we can find that we can see a car in a garage. So Garage, garage is number C. Is it clear? I hope so. And the last picture that we see here is a tree, a big tree. So where do we find trees? We find trees in a forest. So what you'll write here? Forest, forest. So this is number D, forest. Is it clear, children? Do you have any doubt? If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment box. Clear? First one, number A, kitchen, then playground, garage, and then forest. Clear? So this way we have done question number 2 of page number 63. Okay, and in the next class we will do the rest of the exercises. Thank you. Have a nice day.